Hey, Tyler here. Today I'm going to show you how to use for and since. The first thing I want you to visualize here is a timeline. I'm going to put one here to make things easier for you. So let's begin with for. Whenever you use for, I want you to think of a period of time. 5 hours, 20 minutes, 10 years, 4 weeks, whatever. So we can see this period of time on our timeline. For example, I've been working for 5 weeks, or I haven't seen Sarah for 6 days. See how that's a period of time? Now, since we're putting a pin on the beginning of a certain period, I'm telling you when something started. For example, I've been working here since July. See, pinpoint in July. Or I haven't seen Sarah since Friday. See, specific time. So just remember, period of time for, pinpoint, since. I hope it was clear, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you next video.
Oh, I'm slipping away.